Alright guys, what's up guys? I'm here joined with my friend Jack, which he has some abs. So say hi, Jack.
Hello?
Hi. Okay, let's go. So we're going to be playing some Flood Escape. Yeah, we're going to play some Flood Escape, but it takes a while. Let's exit. Let's go on hard. Let's go in hard, Jack, and let's see how good we are. Come on, Jack. Let's go in hard.
I'm in hard. Hello.
Only 10 more seconds and then it'll start to go down.
Yeehaw!
Which map should I choose? Nah, I don't want it. It costs 3 Robux to choose a map, which I have 66.
Oh, yeah, I love climbing up.
I'll go. Where do you? Over here, Jack. Okay,
No, I'm pressing the button so then you can.
I think I can. I think I can. I think I can.
Oh,
No, Jack! Jack, quickly! No! My friend died.
Are you really recording?
Yeah. What did I just open it to? Jack said, am I really recording? Why would I not really recording? Oh, I survived. I'm in. The empty.
I'm in hard.
No, don't go without me. Wait for me.
No, there's 2 out of 4 players left.
Okay. I almost fell. Oh, I'm scared.
I'm watching you. I'm spectating you.
Where do I go?
Oh, the water! The water! Ow!
I died. Oh no.
Okay, that was weird.
Yeah. Oh no.
Okay, ready?
We can play it. Never mind. Do it. No, it's gonna start in 5 seconds. It's gonna start in 3. Jack? Hello? Oh, what happened, Jack? Oh, it started. Oh. No,
Okay.
Jack.
Oh my gosh! I can't get out!
Are you done? Did you die?
Yeah. I suck. Let's go on easy.
Okay, yeah, easy's really easy. But you have to have 8 players. Imagine all of 8 of our friends were playing this.
Oh yeah. I
That'll be
don't
really-
even have it.
You don't?
I do.
I have way more than 8. Ow. And if you guys, I
I
like,
have like
what?
25 friends.
Same.
Oh yeah. If
like-
you press tab, it gets rid of.
I know, it gets rid of the players.
Yeah, I learned that like 3 days ago.
Oh, I learned it like ever since. Cause I learned it like right whenever I got it, cause my game was lagging and I was just randomly pressing buttons, and then I clicked tab and then it like disappeared. Cause I didn't know how to like go in your like menu, so I kept on clicking random buttons to help me, and I clicked tab and I was like, what the heck? So yeah, guys, if you guys want to play with me, you gotta be in my group and you gotta be subscribed to my channel. Which, Jack, I don't think you're in my group, Jack.
I'm subscribed.
Jack, I can't play with you. I can't play with you. Yeah, and if you guys want to join my group, it will be in the link in the description. All you gotta do is click it. Well, I might not be able to click it. I might just put the name if I can like figure out how to do it. But yeah, you know, editing's kind of hard.
I know how to edit.
Not really good.
Yes. I have my own editing system.
What is it? What's it called?
It's like what you get, like it's weird. And this music is like
What's it called?
I don't know. I just have it on my PC. My dad got it. I have no idea what it even is called.
Then just go on your PC and look what it's called.
Okay. And I'm gonna do the Rolex challenge.
Rolly, rolly, my rolly, don't tick tock, it just stop. And you guys will never, ever, ever see my face. Wah ha 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 ha. I'll probably do a face cam video. The round is beginning. Help me. Jack knows what I look like.
It looks really good.
Ugly. That's the word you're looking for. Ugly. Because I am ugly. Scrumptious.
Dude! That guy has like a...
I'm about to escape.
Yeet. Oh, I
Yoink.
died.
Yeet. Yeet. Easy is like so easy. You always die, guys. Do you want to play a different game, Jack?
Yeah.
Okay, I left. Okay, so which game should we play? Hang on, guys. I'll see. Let me pause the video. Now, back. We chose a game. What was this game called, Jack, again? What was this game called?
Survive a plane crash.
Okay, yeah, we're playing Survive a Plane Crash. And the plane is about to arrive. Oh, guys, the plane's arriving.
Hello.
Okay, Jack, let's go to the top floor. Come on. Should we go by the cockpit? Should I buy VIP?
I'm gonna sit. I'm sitting right here.
I'll sit. Jack! Oh, there's no more spaces.
Go downstairs. Downstairs. There's 2 seats.
Oh, Jack, yeah, over here. Jack, right here. I want window. Okay, fine, we'll both get the window. I want window seat. I always get window seat, even though I've never been on a plane before. You wanna try to like jump off? Oh my! Don't get up! Don't get up! Don't get up! Okay, I'll be the waitress. And anyone?
Hey guys, how are you doing?
So you guys want some food?
You guys want some food? I'm just gonna jump out. Whoa!
I died. Jack. We're going to.
Hey,
We should have sat
I'm
down.
about to survive. Literally, it kicked me out of the place. Hey, I survived.
Okay, guys. I'll see you guys whenever the next plane will arrive. Make it into the hole. Yes, I did it! Yeah, guys, we decided to play Hole in the Wall because the airplane game was kind of boring. So, yeah.
I'm ready.
This game's pretty
Look
cool.
at my abs. Look at my abs. Just punch them.
Okay, I'm punching your abs.
Oh, go.
Jack, you should watch this video.
I know.
Like, I'm gonna watch it and then like laugh 1,000 times. Oh, that one's easy. Jack, I want you to be on my team.
Wait, how do you jump?
You click W. You click spacebar.
No, not that. Like, how did you jump?
Oh, like there's like options on like the bottom of your screen to like click it. Oh, he
He got shot.
I know.
Oh boy.
If it says it's clear, I thought it said it was coming clear. I would have been laughing. Team. We're gonna do the team one. Oh, it's Rocky. Rocky's turn.
Go Rocky. Go Rocky.
Oh, that's easy. Very well. Much hole. Heh, he didn't survive. Not clear. I'm gonna beat it in a race. No, I'm not.
I want to jump in here.
I'm gonna go to VIP. Bye.
Okay, what's in here? I'm going into practice.
It costs Robux.
2 Robux?
Yeah, I can practice, seriously. Look, watch. Oh, it's Miranda sings.
Can I have 2 Robux?
I don't know how to give people Robux.
I know, everyone's like, hey, can I have some Robux? And I'm like,
I know how. The red team's up.
Asked by reporters today whether he might order an attack on North Korea, Mr. Trump replied,
Oh, what should I get?
North Korea called the nuclear test
Barely
a
see
perfect
anything.
success, and the underground explosion did register.
I want this, just how hilarious it looks.
Just hours before
Costs too
the
much,
nuclear
I don't want to
test,
do it.
Korean state-run media released photos
I
of
sus-
dictator Kim
what?
Jong-un
I did it.
It says the small hydrogen bomb
Randy, I did it.
Did what?
I did it. My first try, I did it.
Oh, you did? The blue team's up. Okay, get ready to watch us. Ready to watch us fail. If this is the hard one, okay. This is a kind of hard one.
Scientists say the significance of a hydrogen bomb is that it makes for a lighter warhead.
Yes! No, what? I was in it.
Yeah, I saw that.
I was in it. That was so stupid.
North Korea's words and actions continue to be very hostile and dangerous to the United
I'm
States.
saying go to the game.
Red team has won. Good job. Please, Jack, please be on our team. There's a team scramble.
Strongly condemned the test and urged the North to stop what it called its wrong actions.
Please, Jack.
Prime Minister
Please,
Shinzo
Jack.
Abe said the test was
Please, Jack.
absolutely
I'm pretty sure
unacceptable.
there's a team scramble.
President Trump said the international community must step up its response. At the request of Japan, South Korea, the U.S., UK, and France, the U.S. Security Council put into an emergency meeting tomorrow morning. This afternoon,
Whoa. Whoa. That was loud. Longest streak? That's a long streak. They all have team scramble.
Scrambling teams.
Please, Jack. No. It's your turn, Jack. I don't know why Jack's name is What's Up 174. Oh, this is easy. Keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving.
I'm still alive.
Yeah. You touched
I
the
jumped
P.
through it. Frank, I jumped through it.
You touched the P though. That's P. It's Mobblebubblesburg.
Describe to us the difference between a hydrogen bomb and other nuclear
Oh my god.
weapons that North Korea has tested in the past. I mean, how much more
I wonder how bad this guy's gonna be. Oh, this is easy. Hacker!
Looking that up at you.
Dude, she's a hacker. Did you see that?
No.
Dude, she just was standing there. She beat it. It's never my turn. Boo Rocky, boo Rocky, boo Rocky. That's easy.
Maybe
Wow.
not for other people.
Wow, you're trash. Trash kid. You're trash. Trash kid. You're trash. You're trash kid. You're trash. It's your turn. Yeah.
Brady.
Please don't be a hard one. Please don't be a hard one. Oh, this is the easy one. This is the one I had before. Let's sit down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Jump in the pee.
Yeah, Brady. I do want some ice so much.
You want to go jump on these balls?
Okay. Whoa, what is this one?
That looks kind of hard. I'm just rolling away.
I'm gonna kick this guy off. Haha. Mine. Oh, it's so clear. I wanna jump in. I wanna jump over.
Look where I am. Ow. It's red team. Go Jack, go Jack, go Jack. Let's go Jack. Let's go. See how hard it is. Oh, you all have to go click the one where you lay down. She's gonna fail. You got your team didn't win. Just because if one teammate dies, the whole team loses. Okay, I'm gonna end the video right after I'm done. We only have 2 people. Oh my gosh, that's hard. Wait, what? My game was lagging.
She's a hacker.
My game, yeah, she's a hacker. I'm reporting her. Mama. Report. What's her name? What's her name? Her name was like Mullah. What is she doing? Offensive link. Cheating. Going through walls. Okay. Okay, so that'll be it for this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Have a good day. Be a savage. And bye. Go subscribe to Jack whenever he gets a channel, which I don't know. I think he's going to name it American Jack.
What's up, yeah, American Jack. Yeah.
He's going to name
American
it.
Jack 20. Once that happens.
No, you should not do any numbers, because numbers are like dumb. Okay, so yeah. Make sure you guys have a good day, and bye.